Well, ladies, welcome, welcome, welcome to our first annual Lawton Fort Sill Thrive Women Conference. We want to personally invite you to mark your calendars, October the 19th, 2019, to come and enjoy the special event that we have put together just for you. So mark your calendars. Invite your friends, bring your young adult teenagers, bring your neighbors, bring your mom, and come out and learn how to thrive with us. I want to introduce you. This is Dr. Keith Miles. Hello, Dr. Miles.
Hello,
welcome.
Thank you so much.
We are so excited to have you at the Thrive Women's Conference.
Yeah, because I'm going to be the man.
Yes, he is the only man, ladies. He will be the only man speaking at the Thrive Women's Conference.
That's true.
My name is Stella Maxwell. I am one of the guest speakers. Dr. Miles is one of our speakers. We have also Dr. Caroline Leaf. She is a neuroscientist. She is amazing speaker all over the world, and we have the privilege and honor to host her here in Lawton, Oklahoma with Dr. Pamela Hyde. She's a nutritionist, a functional medicine, OBG doctor, and our very own Dr. Keith Miles, who is a doctor PhD in theology, but also on clinical psychology. Yes. Then we will have Monica Witherspoon and myself, Stella Maxwell, and our MC will be Miss Jerry Anderson, our very own K-Law morning show host. It is not awesome.
I'm telling you, it's going to be great.
It's going to be great.
We're going to learn how to thrive.
Yes, so tell me about it. What is so special about this Thrive Women's Conference?
Well, I think the most interesting thing is that all of the avenues we're going to explore. Our guest speaker is an expert in how the brain works and how marvelous God put it together. And so she's going to be speaking to us about how we're put together to serve the Lord and how we work, which I think is a marvelous thing because the Bible says we're fearfully and wonderfully made, and she's going to help us understand that. One of the things I'm going to get to do, if God opens the door, is I want to talk about how you renew your mind.
That's awesome.
So now we're talking about the spiritual and the emotional and so on and so forth. And so as Carolyn tells us about all the sinews of the brain and how it works and all the hormones that are there and all those kind of things, then we get to understand how God can use us as we let that mind be strengthened and filled. And the marvelous thing is, then, Miss Stella, you come along and help us to understand what it is to live this.
That's right.
See, I think the most marvelous thing about this conference is we get all the technical stuff, and then we come down to, well, how do you really use it?
That's right.
Because if we don't know how to do that, it doesn't matter what we learn, right?
Absolutely.
But I think in that one day, every one of these women who come to this Thrive Conference will absolutely walk away saying, my goodness, I know more now, I've learned more, I can live better than I've ever lived before, nutritionally and so on and so forth. And well, then they're waiting for the next Thrive, right? Next year.
Absolutely.
And so on.
And this conference is so special because the ladies, there's so many ladies out here that are dealing with depression, anxiety, loneliness, stress. And at this conference, they will learn how to not just survive those symptoms, but how to learn to overcome them, be more than a conqueror, and then thrive in life.
That's it.
So we want to fully loading you mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, socially, in every aspect. We want to empower you, equip you to truly thrive. And our special worship team will be gateway worshipers. They will be our worship team.
Yes.
They will leading us into the presence of the Lord. And if you know somebody who is not born again, this conference is also for them. Because at this conference is not about just the spiritual part, but every aspect of a whole being, a total well-being of a woman. So I just want to encourage you ladies to mark your calendars. Make this a special event to learn how to thrive in life. We are looking for meeting you. We are looking for fellowshipping with you. We also have a VIP evening. So just in case, if you want to invest in one more evening, We have a VIP event that will be Friday night, which is October the 18th. We will have early registration, we have greet and meet dinner, and then we also have a girlfriend's movie night out. So you don't want to miss the special event as well. But if you can't come on Friday, we definitely want to make sure you will be there Saturday and don't miss out. Dr. Moss, is there anything else?
Website. What is the website they can go to?
The website. You can go on thrivewomensconference.com. You will see all the details in it, but also here on Facebook. You can just click below about, read all the information, get your tickets. And you want to make sure you get the tickets early because we have special prices. As until March the 31st, the prices are just $29. You cannot beat that, Dr. Moss. Not in a whole day from 8 to 5 event conference,
That's
right?
true.
And so until March the 31st, the tickets will be $29, and after this, it's just moving up. So make sure you get the early bird special and get your tickets and your girlfriend's tickets and sign up for it.
Wonderful.
Dr. Moss, I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm excited. We are ready in preparation, and just know we are already praying for you because I know God is faithful and He will be there as well.
That's right.
I'll see you the next time. Mwah.